a cathode ray tube. Now what we'll see? We'll see CRT. Now see, the CRT is vacuum glass with the display screen at one end and connectors to the circuits at the other end. I will show you in the diagram. See, this is a CRT. Okay, you may diagram of a CRT, that is your cathode ray tube, which was present in older versions of televisions, big televisions. So the CRT is a vacuum glass. So this is a vacuum glass. Okay, this is a vacuum tube, glass tube with the display screen at one end. This is your display screen at one end and connectors to this control circuit at the other end. So these are connectors. These pins are your connectors. So one end you have a screen, display screen, and one end you have a control circuits, that are your connectors. Okay, when then the phosphor is coated on the inside of the display screen, which emits lights for a period of time when hit by a beam of electrons. Okay, so this is your phosphorus screen. Okay, phosphor here, it is coated onto your display screen, means inside the display screen, which will emit what? Which will emit a light. It is same like your torch also. Then the color of light and time period vary from one type of phosphor to another. Whenever, firstly, black and white TVs were used. Okay, black and white televisions were used. Now in that black and white, only black color and white color was there. So here, whenever the electricity will be passed or whenever the switch will be on, the connectors will be passing pins, that is connectors will be passing the electrical energy and then it will be transferring, and then your black and white light will be emitting onto the phosphor and then it will be shown onto the screen. Same way, colors also. Then the color of the light given off by the phosphor during exposure to the electron beam is known as what? Fluorescence. So whatever exposure it will be shown, that is called as an fluorescence. And the continuing glow given off after the beam is removed is known as phosphorescence. That will be called as an phosphorescence. Okay, so all things are written here. Then see, these are your connectors, this is your base, this is your heater. When it will hit, then the light will be passed. Okay, pre-accelerating anode is there, that are called as an electron gun. These are called as an electron guns. See this one, electron guns. Then you have vertical deflection plate for emitting the lights. Then beam is there, aqueduct coating is there, green color. Then phosphorus screen is there, horizontal deflection line, accelerating anode is there, focusing anode is also there. That are nothing but your electrodes. Then electron gun, which is heated to send out electrons, are regulated by the control electrode and forced by the focusing electrode. This one, your anodes are passing, so they are what? They are regulated by the control electrode and forced by the focusing electrode. That the intensity of the light emitted by the phosphor coating is a function of the intensity of the electron beam. So whatever intensity it will be passed, it will be shared and then it will be passed on to your screen. The control circuits shut off the electron beam during horizontal and vertical retraces. So these are your horizontal and these are your vertical retraces. Okay.